a family plan. Now, identity theft is the fastest growing white collar crime out here. It's like an iceberg. You can see on top, but you can't see all the damage that it's causing on the bottom. And so our members are going to have access to our credit score tracker, which means we're going to track your Experian credit score each month in real time, right on your smartphone or your smart devices. We also provide you with monitoring alerts from your credit score all the way to social media and much more, as well as financial threshold account monitoring from your credit cards to loans and much more. Now, you're probably wondering, why do they place so much emphasis on monitoring and alerts? Well, it's because the best defense for identity theft is early detection. And that's exactly what we provide to you. We also give you privacy check. That's to help keep your information away from the data brokers so that they don't sell it off to third party. And now you get targeted with different ads. We're going to help you minimize all of that. Trend Micro, anytime you're in a public location and you need to secure your Wi-Fi connection, you're going to have the ability to turn on your very own virtual private network to protect your information. You also have Password Manager as well as cybersecurity and device protection. We help protect your devices from viruses, malware, and ransomware. Listen, privacy, that is your business, but protecting it, well, that's our business. We also provide you with reputation management, where we scan certain social media accounts and Google searches for harmful content. We'll let you know where it is, giving you the ability to either leave it there or remove it. But now you have a sense of awareness. Identity consultation being done by identity theft specialists, which are available to you 24/7 for covered emergencies, as well as full service restoration by licensed private investigators who are going to do whatever it takes for as long as it takes to restore you back to pre-theft status. And on top of that, you get a $3 million identity fraud protection plan for covered identity theft related losses. Now, the last area I want to talk to you